We have today, it is Happy Easter, everybody. Happy Easter. And I have a Lego set. That never happened. You saw nothing. So then we have the Easter kitchen set for the guys that splat the egg. Isn't it beautiful? I will be building this. I will be building this like today, and it will be uploaded. And today we will be opening not a Pokemon, but a Lego seasonal Easter set. I think that's what this is called. It's Easter Day, like 6 o'clock in the morning, and I got this for Easter. Looks like it's a kitchen, and the guy dropped an egg, and that's splattered on the floor to the chicken, and a clock. And so, I'll be building this today. Hopefully I'll find out how to do a speed build when I edit the video. And if we look inside, you can see that we have some bag, 2 mini base plates, and we have the instruction manual. Da-da-da-da-da-da. And let's see what's inside. We will first need to open this bag. And we have the finished result. The kitchen. Isn't it amazing? It's a nice design. Let's take a closer look. As you see, we come with this minifigure. Actually, I'll talk about the minifigures at the end. For now, no. Leave the stool, Mr. Blue. You broke the stool. Look at him. He broke the stool. Look how naughty he is. He's naughty. He's like, uh-oh, I'm in trouble. Yes, you are. I have to thank you, little above the run of it. Yes, I have one. It's made of Lego, do not worry. And so, take a closer look. Looks like that we have cookies and a cookie tray in the oven. We have an egg boiling. And an egg on the floor that the guy dropped. That's why he's like, oh no, I'm in trouble. And we have a sink. We have a coffee maker. These drawers actually open. Both of them do. Really cool. Up here it looks like we have like a shelf and some spices in a bottle. One of those slides. Oh, we got an egg. It does not. Here, this egg does not want to be in the pot, so I will put it over here. Never mind. It's going to fall on the floor. I'll get to it later. It has like a little window, has a coffee maker. Good stuff. Has some pink flowers. A clock. Good stuff. Windows. And a painter. Next we have this, which is a little thing that they had in the set. It has a chicken and an egg and yellow flowers. It's good stuff. Next, And this is down here, this pile of pieces. This is all extra pieces. I got flour, I got an extra flour. I got an extra paintbrush. Woohoo, I could use that for stuff. I think I even got an extra cookie. The boy's gonna steal that. Take that right there. Also, I can give him an extra paintbrush to hold. Woohoo! So that is the Easter set with its extra pieces nearby. I'd like that they include extra pieces. I think they have it so like if you lose it. I don't think the paintbrushes was extra. Yep, it came with one paintbrush. I got 2 of them. Now you have the Easter kitchen set, and this is from Liam's Games. Please like and subscribe, and maybe also check out Connor's Games. Not that he has any videos uploaded for a long time, but check it out.
It's Connor's World.
Connor's World, that he reminded me because he's sitting next to me on the table.